Hello children, this is class 8 maths class. In the last class we have learned about cube and cube root. Now we are going to learn about direct and inverse variation. Children, we will learn what is variation. Variation means a change in one quantity due to change in another quantity is called variation. There are two types of variation. First, direct variation and second, inverse variation. So, direct variation, an increase in one quantity causes an increase in the other quantity, and a decrease in one quantity causes a decrease in the other quantity is called direct variation. For example, children, if the cost of one pen is rupees 10 rupees, so the cost of two pens will be 20 rupees, because if we are increasing the number of pens, then the cost will also increase. So this is called direct variation. In inverse variation, two quantities x and y are said to be inverse proportion or variation when an increase in x causes a decrease in y, while decrease in x causes an increase in y. This is called inverse variation. When we are increasing one quantity, as a consequence, if the other quantity is decreasing, or if we are decreasing the first quantity and other quantity is increasing, this is called inverse variation. Now come to the exercise. First question is, a person earns rupees 5100 in 3 weeks. The first part of this question is, how long will it take him to earn 6800 rupees? In this question, first what we have to do, let us see this question is related to direct variation or inverse variation. See, here it is written a person is earning 5100 rupees in 3 weeks. So 6800, to earn more money, that person will take more time, then it is related to the direct variation. Now we will convert this week into days. 3 week is equal to how many days? For that we will multiply 3 into 7, that is equal to 21 days. Now for direct variation, we'll make it column here. In first column, we'll write down money earned in rupees, and in second column, we'll write down days. So it is given in the question that 5100 rupees earned in 21 days, and 6800 rupees will be earned in how many days? We don't know, so we'll write down in that place x. Children, keep it in your mind and try to understand that in direct variation we'll make it a cross multiplication over here. So we'll multiply this 5100 into x, we'll write down like this, and 6800 into 21 like this. So x is equal to 6800 into 21 upon 5100. This 200 will cancel out. Now 17 3s are 51 and 17 4s are 68 and 3 7s are 21. 7 4s are 28 days. It means 6800 rupees will be earned in 28 days. Now we'll convert this 28 days into week. So for that we'll divide this 28 by 7, that is equal to 4 week. This will be our answer. In second part of this question, it is given how much does he earn in 5 weeks. In 5 weeks, how much money he will earn? So again we will make it a column. In first column, money earned in rupees, and second column, days. 5100 rupees a person is earning in 21 days. So 5 weeks is equal to 35 days. So in 35 days, how much money? We don't know, so we'll write down here x. Now again we'll make it cross multiplication. 21 into x, that is 21x, and 5100 into 35, we'll write down like this. So x is equal to 5100 into 35 upon 21. Now cancel out these two numbers by 7. 7 3s are 21, 7 5s are 35, and 3 17s are 51. 1700 into 5, that is equal to 8500 rupees he will earn in 35 days. This will be your answer. Now come to the next question. It is very important. If 8 men can do a job in 5 days, how much time would 10 men take to do the same job? Try to understand, children, here, and first decide in which variation it is. It is written 8 men can do a job in 5 days. So 10 men can complete the same job in how much time they will take? In how much time? Obviously they will take lesser time than the previous one. So for that, it is clear that it is related to the inverse variation. For that also we'll make it a column here. In first column we'll write down man, and in second column we'll write down days. So it is given in the question that 8 men can complete a job in 5 days. So 10 men can complete the same job in We don't know how many days, so we'll write down x in that place. Children, this is the difference between direct and inverse variation. Here you have, what you have to do, you have to multiply like this, these two terms. 10 into x, that is equal to 10x. 8 into 5, that is equal to 40. We'll write down like this. So x is equal to 8 into 5 upon 10. So 5 to the 10, 2 4 the 8. So 10 man can complete the same job in 4 days. This will be our answer. Now we will see the next video in the next question in the next video. Thank you, children.